There we are today. Are we on yet? Hey, 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 how are you? I'm going to do a test here. Can you hear my latest toy? I have a toy now. I'm going to test my toy. I want to see if you can hear my latest toy. It is the Rode. Here we are today. Are we on yet? Hey, 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 how are you? That's how I sound without the toy. I want to put in my toy here. I'm going to put in my things. Okay. And I'm going to put it here. And hopefully you guys can listen to me here. Is it clearer, guys? No. I think. What am I talking about? Okay. Can you guys listen to me? Can you guys hear me? Let me test it. Is anyone listening to me now? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me test this out here. One moment. Hopefully somebody is listening to me because I have to listen to this. Do you see it clear? Hey, this is not working. How come my Rode is not working? One moment. Let me set in my Rode, okay? I am going to have to set up my Rode thing here. What is happening now? Why aren't you working, Rode? I put this the wrong way. Okay. Don't work again. One moment. Let's see. System preferences. Can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sound. Nothing's coming up. Oh boy. Nothing is coming up. Just my luck. Nothing wants to come up now. Just right. Yeah, hello. Hello, USB. Well, it does not like it. Okay, let's try it here. Now, nothing is coming up. That is so not good, Rode. I mean, this is not cool. Here, Mr. Rode, this is really not cool. It doesn't want to come on. It doesn't want to come on. This is not good. But you guys are here, so that's cool. Let's try it again. Don't do this to me, Mr. Rode. Well, I don't know what's wrong. Okay, fine. Because it's not seeing it. Odd one. Odd one, guys. That's an odd one. Let's put this back in. Okay, how are we? How are we today? Come in, come in, come in. Yeah, you can hear, right? I am looking sick now. This is part of my... Yeah, I'm going to do a lot of cool things, okay? This is kind of the start of it because, hey, markets are up today. Markets are finally up. Although this is not up. Although this is not up. I don't know why. I don't know why. Although my Rode is not up. I'm not happy, okay? Let me look at this and see what I can do. This somehow, boy. Oh, that works. Right. Are you working here? Don't tell me my thing is not working. Don't tell me my thing. Yeah, that seems to work, but this thing doesn't seem to work. Okay, let's see. Don't give up, right? Don't give up. Oh, there it is, guys. Can you guys hear me now? One moment. Okay, the Rode is up. The Rode is up. Let me see if I can adjust this. Yeah, can you guys hear me now? Yeah, it's in through Rode. Is it clearer now? How do you guys hear me? Do I sound good? Do I sound better now? I want to listen myself to the phone. So it's good that Bitcoin is up and things are looking up. and this is up, right? Let's go and see this. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. Just look at that. Just look at that. Look at me, guys. Look at me, guys. One moment. And then we'll find out what in the world is happening with the Bitcoin market. No joke. Let's go down here. Okay, guys, how are you? Yeah, could always hear me, right? But this is better. This should be better because this is through my new Rode toy. I've decided to go through my Rode toy. Okay. So it should be better. It should be good. Let's see here. Let's go here. Oh man, I didn't put this on the Discord. I didn't put this on the Discord. This is not good. This is not good. Maybe I forgot to put this on the Discord again. Yeah, summer relief rally. Wait, I want to hear myself, okay? Let me hear myself. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, I didn't put this on the Discord. Okay, that's good. Okay, guys, let's start now. Let us start. Man, I didn't put this on the Discord. But anyway, don't forget on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday we have this. Let me change the screen here. Thank you very much for attending. Thank you very much for attending this one. I don't know why I didn't put this on Discord. That's kind of weird. Not putting this on my Discord is kind of weird, right? So let's start by putting this on my Discord. What did I do? Okay, now I'm going to press that again. So don't forget on Thursday, okay, no, Wednesday night, we have this. Wednesday is 20th of July, right? There are no key economic news this week. There are a lot of results coming out this week. 19th is Netflix, so Netflix is going to be very ugly. So what? Nobody cares because we know it's going to be ugly, right? So finally, guys, this week, Bitcoin has turned up. We saw this last week already, where during let's see this. Let's see some Euro USD thing. Even Euro USD has turned up. Bitcoin has turned up, but this is not good. 21,003 is key. Even for this also, Ethereum has gone up by quite a lot. Look at that bar. I was shocked when it was like up 1420. Are you kidding me? Let's look what happened to Ethereum last night. It just pumped. Look at that, guys. It just pumped. There's the wedge, and it just like went it through it like nobody's business. 1434, consolidating today. There's the fib. Yeah, I just broke everything, right? There's the fib. There's the golden pocket here. You see, this is why, but we will learn this next week, okay? Next week's class, how to set up charts like this so that you can see. So you can see here, there was a lot of interactions with the golden pocket. See, went up here before it went up, got down, got here again. And then when it blasted to the golden pocket, it just like went up like nobody's business. And when is the merge? September? Yeah, September, it becomes deflationary, right? Ethereum, but I don't think it has anything to do with that. Yeah, 2 minutes, wow. And because I talk a lot, I shouldn't be talking too much, okay? So this is this, but what we wanna hear tonight is Bitcoin. Now, remember something on Bitcoin. Let's look at the fear index, okay? This fear index, guys, no, we don't want to see this one. This is the old chart. We don't want to see that. Go to the crypto fear and greed index. Remember, Wednesday, we're going to learn how to play Illuvium. Crypto fear and greed. Greed index. This is the longest time it has been negative. This is the longest time it has been like bearish, extreme. Never before in the history has it done it like this, okay? So I'm just trying to tell you that things are getting very, 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 very extreme. And once they are extreme, they tend to come back. and it's usually a relief rally before it goes back to wherever it wants to go to, which nobody knows. See, it's been in extreme fear for the longest amount of time. Let's look. It has not been here. Look at here. No, even here before, no, it just has not. Look, the longest amount of time, look, it just does not do that. It doesn't do that. Even in 2018, it's just for a short while, right? So this is something new. This is extreme. And when it has an extreme here, it can go back up, but you do not know. Is this going to last? I don't think so. I think this is just a relief. Doesn't mean you cannot make money. If there is an alts rally, sure, make money, but we have never been here before like this. I think this was the old one. But even then, look, it was here, but now it is like here forever. Forever. Let's see, like 3 months. Has it been down like, it's been down 3 months. Like nobody's business. Nobody's business. So let's see what BTC, the real levels are, is. Go back here again. If you want to listen how I do the charts, come next week, please. Well, it's gone down. That's no good. Key level is this, not this one again. I don't know why I always get this wrong. Key level is 21.3. It has to clear 21.3. It looked very well yesterday at 21.7, right? Let's see what happens tonight. So that is the 4-hour chart. As if we're really not interested in 4-hour chart, but look again, golden pocket, golden pocket, golden pocket. Now the golden pocket is holding it. This is the golden pocket, 61 to 66 fib, okay? 61 to 66 fib. Should I draw the point of control? Again, this one, the point of control, we'll do slowly next week. I'm just going to draw from where to where, right? I'm just going to draw from here to here. Is it there? Yeah, that's the point of control. See that? Point of control, where the most volume interacts. See that? See? Resistance, 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 up. Go back down, resistance, up, test, up. That's the point of control. We see the point of control there, but this is not the key. The key here is this. Where is it going here? And then we see where Ethereum is going. Do you guys still remember this, or we all forgot? Maybe you all forgot because this market has been too brutal, right? Let's go to week. For Bitcoin, it's always the week. It's the 200 moving average. This is, I think this is the longest time it's been. Under the 200 for the longest time, guys. For the longest time, 200 is at 22,500 here. If we beat this, we're going to 26 to 28. Let's go to the daily now. Again, if we get bypast this, which is the 200 moving average, on the weekly, we are going to the 26 to 28. Let's draw this again. There, now it looks better, right? I see we're struggling with the golden pocket now. And if we go up to this, yeah, it is 22.8, 22.5. So let's see. Yeah, it's going to go back to this range again. This is 27.5. See, 26 to 28. So it all depends on what happens now. Okay. Let me see the fibs here. What's 161? 26. See, 161 is 26. 26, guys. 26. I don't think it goes up here. I love it to go up here, but look at this, 26, okay? You want to know how to do this? Come next week. I'm going to do this on the S&P. Okay, so that is there. And let's go now to the S&P 500. Now, what I saw last week, because, you know, if you really want to do this, you just go to the S&P 500 to see if Bitcoin is going up or not. And I'll show you what happened to the S&P 500. This is too critical. Okay, we already said this, but before that, we already said this, right? We said that the euro would hit parity to the US dollar because this would hit that, right? Didn't we say that? We said Danish would get his wish because he wants the stronger US dollar, right? He makes US dollars, so He wants a stronger US dollars. His wish has just come true, right? Remember last week we were here, and then I said it will have to hit here, and euro has to go to parity. Again, extreme again. Extreme. Wait for it to flip. I think it is in the process of flipping. Give it a few more days. Look at that. That is what happened, okay? So now there is a slight pullback. Can I see my week here? Yeah, there. Look at that. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. It looked like it was gone, man. So again, if you want to make things easy for yourselves, always look at the S&P 500. Let's go to the S&P 500 now, and let's go to the, yeah, we are at the daily, right? Again, how do you do this? Look at the top here. The first thing that you're going to do, next week, we're going to do it again. Again, if I'm just going to go, where am I going to go for this? And then I'll tell you how I took the trade that has already made. Are you guys following my Twitter? You guys should follow my Twitter, okay? You guys should follow my Twitter, by the way. Where's my Twitter? I'm going to show you my Twitter. Let me show you my Twitter, and I'll show you how I took this trade. But you have to remember, you have to be very experienced. Please look after your risk management very well, okay? This market is not for the faint-hearted. This market, you really have to be strong because it is a very special market, okay? It doesn't happen in normal time. So if you're using the normal rules, you ain't gonna get it, okay? Because it's doing very weird stuff. But this is where we can make money, because when the markets do weird stuff, let me go to my Twitter first so that you guys can see my Twitter, okay? You guys have to start really going and seeing my Twitter. That's all I'm saying. Let's go here. I don't want to see the meta key. Come on. We don't want to see the meta key, right? Come on. Go and follow this one, okay? Go and follow that. Yeah. Inukshuk, Metarend, or ETH, Inukshuk. Whatever it is. Go here. I bought this KN95. Very scared of the BA5, guys. This is really silly. So again, everything is extreme. Look, extreme. Everything's shorting like mad. The most extreme in history. You guys are here during historical times. You can tell your kids. As long as you're not bankrupt by then, okay? So please make sure you make money at these times. This is the time you want to make money. This is the time you want to move in slowly so that you can make money later, because when the extremes go back up, and they will, you can make a lot of money as long as you don't lose money and don't have any capital. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So look at this. 383 is about 400 US already, bought at 3786. Now it's at 386 here. How did I get this? Let me show you. Now, I know you guys want to know. Let me show you. First, you draw this out. You got a daily like this, right? So then you say, hey, okay, I see that. This is what I would do. We're going to do this again next week on many, many charts, okay? So next week's session will be longer. It's be like, we only go to update 15 minutes, and then probably 45 minutes to an hour, we go through all these charts. Okay, so again, just draw that. Okay, fine. It has to beat this for it to happen, which is 3910. So now I have to see, I'm like, I can come out here. I can come out here, right? Here, here, and I think there's another resistance here. Yeah, 4186 or 4060, whatever it was. Yeah, here, right there, right? 4090 around here. But what you want to do here, first things first, go here. And then I just want to see the fibs. I want to see, where is this thing going to? I don't like this thing now. So I might change it to the 4 hours so I get a better view of what is going on. Yes, I get a better view of what is going on now. So I'm just going to put in my fib here. That. Okay, let me put it again. Should pull it up. Yeah, that is the line that I want to see here. Pop, 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 pop. There. Okay, there. Next. I draw a line here, okay? I always look for the golden pocket. What in the world is happening to the golden pocket? Like 61 to 66, so I kind of draw like this. Okay, see, there's a lot of interactions at the golden pocket. We are in the golden pocket now. That tells me one thing. If it goes, it goes. If it doesn't know, I take profit and I'm so gone, okay? Done. So we are in the golden pocket, again, very critical here. And if you are in, wait, let me give you an hourly chart, right? Again, guys, our analysts, for the guys in Crypto Moon, guys, it's very simple. Our analyst is the best analyst in the world. I think so, okay? In fact, I think that ATW should hire him. He would be good for the indices and all the crypto technicals and all this. He pointed this out, you know, there's a, you don't see it, but he saw it. There was a Gartley pattern here. It was a very clear Gartley pattern here, okay? It's a very clear Gartley pattern. I cannot find it on the patterns here. I don't know why. Maybe I don't have the right version of TradingView, right? So it was clearly going here, no doubt. It was clearly going here. Yes, it was clearly going here. It was just so clear. This is so clear as the sun, okay? But look what happened then. After the first, after our inflation, right? Because there were too many shorts, it went back up. And then, as I said, it didn't last, like it went back down. And then it went back up again. And then after the retail sales, was it on Friday? Let's see. It went back up again. So when I saw this, which is invalidation, when I saw this invalidation, I said, hey, you were supposed to go down on fundamentals. And you're going to find a lot of this. If you want to make a lot of money, and we'll go in again next week, you have to think differently. If based on fundamentals and based on technicals, it looks like the stars were aligned. No one can blame you for taking the short. Look, the Gartley pattern negative, the fundamentals suck, they're negative, and yet it went back up again. That is what you will get, okay? The next 2-3 years, which I think will be very good years for us, you will get a lot of these, just a lot of these weird things. So let's go to Forex Factory again. Guys, if you come in now, we are a crypto group. Don't worry. Don't run out. Don't run out. We are still a crypto group, okay? Don't, hey, stay here, guys. Stay here. Relax. We are not, we are not Forex, okay? So let's go and see that. Nothing next week, nothing, just a lot of results, right? Nothing next week, nothing next week. Nothing so much to worry on the crypto side except the S&P. That's all you have to worry about. You don't have to look after anything else, okay? The following week is the week of which we have Thursday, Wednesday, late night here, Thursday, early morning, FOMC, and then we have the GDP that night. Yeah, it's going to be a big Thursday next week, okay? It's going to be a big Thursday next week. Huge Thursday next week. Let's go before that. I don't want July 2nd. I want July Friday. What happened on Friday? So again, July 13th was bad day, but it went up. Kind of weird, right? Bad day was it went up because people was extreme. People were extreme. Everyone was extreme. There was no one else left to short. So it went up. And then when everyone was cleared, then they went back down. You understand? They have to clear that backlog, okay? And it went back down, right? And then went back up again. So Thursday again, that was struggling again, even to the PPI. And because of Friday, look at this. Yeah, the retail sales were good. That means people are still buying even in this inflationary environment. So that beat that. And that sent the S&P up. That confirmed that this pattern here, which I have lost again. One moment. Let me get that pattern again. Was invalidated. So you got to look for all those things. You cannot be just like, okay, it looks like that. It looks like that. You got to think a little bit, okay? Let's see the gap. I want to see the gap here. Yeah, now you have to look at gaps, right? What is being filled? Let's see. Yeah, there are a lot of gaps here. So again, definitely yeah, it will tend. It wants to revisit the gap. Let's see the gaps here, okay? It wants to revisit the gap, okay? So if it does revisit the gap, it'll be like someone got a bad decision or someone got a bad results. One of the big companies got a bad results and it gaps down. Possible. Netflix is different, okay? Netflix is coming on Tuesday. Nothing's going to happen to Netflix because we know it's going to be bad anyway. So we kind of don't care, right? Hey, Netflix is going to be bad. Netflix is going to be bad. We would be surprised if it would be open. Let's look at the gaps now. So now when you look at this, now you look what's happening to the gaps. So when you saw that market go up and the S&P holding, you see what happened to Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin went up, right? Bitcoin now has the confidence to kind of go up. Let's see this again. Okay, we see this. Where is my line? How come they took my line? They took my line. They didn't. Okay, but never mind. We're going to redraw this again, right? So look at that, right? So look at that. Yeah, it has to go back down here. 3.8. Yeah, looks like that. Okay, looks like that. It has to go back and retest again. Then probably follow this and follow this 394060. I'm just looking at 4060, which is fib of. See, now I can tell you what fib it is. 61.8. Was it? No, I'm dreaming. I don't even know where it is. 40. Yeah. Here it is. I don't know what fib we're in. Oh, we're in the other way. No wonder, guys, we're in the other way. Yeah, it should be flipped the other way. Okay. Just ignore this. Okay, this is just something totally stupid here. Yeah, it should be the other way around. Sorry. Put it here again. I'm just gonna go to this. Come on, I need you to be 0. Yeah, like that. So here, yeah. Okay, start like 0.8. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine, right? So again, that's how you do it, right? So you see there, and so next week we're gonna do for a range of this. We're gonna go for we're gonna start with a bear chart for Ethereum, Bitcoin, the Nikkei. I like to trade the Nikkei, the DTech. I like to trade the DTech. That's that, and I want to show you something else. What seems to be good now is that if Bitcoin can hold this is not good. Okay, let's get back above 21.3. It has to get back above 21.3. We're not going to be happy tomorrow night. Let's look at this. Okay, weekly 1337. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is good. This is good. This is good. You see that? Look at that. Is that a triple bottom here? It's a range. I like this box. It hasn't broken out of the box, but the market cap is now, I don't want to draw a fib. You're gonna make me depressed. Okay. Look at that. That is market cap. I know you guys are waiting for an alts rally, right? It has to break out of this here. 552. We're at 537, okay? It had to break out of this, we're good. If not, we're gonna range again, okay? We're gonna range again in this. So look at that fall, man. Just look at that fall. Just that is so extreme, okay? That is so extreme here. Look at the euro here. This is already so extreme. Look at that. Look at that. And yet it's been able to climb above that low already. Okay? I put it down here when this was the low. I think I should do it like this, right? And they're coming towards resistance. Almost there, right? Almost there, okay? So this is the resistance already, 23 fib. Just the resistance there at 23 fib. That's what the euro is. Why didn't I put my RSI here? Let me see my RSI. Are we extreme buy or sell? Yeah, almost still have some room to run, but don't be surprised. It gets here, confluence of this. This is yeah, this is like the 50, right? Okay, we might have some problems there, but yeah, that's really how it looks in simplest terms. I also like the Japanese yen, okay? I think it's quite extreme now. This is FXCM. Can we see USD JPY here? Because I like extremes. I don't play Forex like you guys, okay? I kind of play Forex to the longer term to kind of make money, to let it run, smaller sizes than you guys use, smaller sizes. Or I use other financial instruments to allow me to get the Forex thing. Whoa, are you serious? This is 138. You have to be kidding me. 139, are you serious? This is like extreme, guys. Okay, we're gonna draw charts next week also on this. I kind of like this, you know. I'll tell you my opinions on USD JPY and also USD Euro USD next week. Not financial advice, okay? So I kind of like these kind of trends, right? This is really cool. This is insane, guys. If you guys want to go to Europe, this is my advice. This is what I'm gonna do next week. You know, I think I will go to Europe one day. I have no idea when. I think I'll go to Japan next year, right? Because Takashi Murakami might have an artifact thing in Japan and I need to be there, right? So I'm going to buy the next week $1,000 worth of euro and 1,000 US dollars worth of yen. Because I'm going to travel there, right? So I might as well buy it now. If it goes up some more, well, you know, if it goes up, I need money. If it goes down, then I buy some more next year. Doesn't matter, right? It really doesn't matter. It's a good time to buy. It's a good time to buy, okay? So if you want to do it, maybe you should do it too, okay? That's the thing there, okay? Okay, any questions here? So again, remember tonight, we are not out of the woods yet. We need this to come back up, and then we'll go to some of the news that we got on some of the performers here. Polygon, right? I'll tell you why Polygon is going up again. And look at what's happening. The old coins are going up. Come on, let's update this. So next week, remember, we're going to do a short one on this, on the markets. And then we're going to do another one where we take the charts naked. Naked charts and draw things out so that you can follow me later. If not, you guys are going to be confused. What is he talking about? Golden pocket, point of control, all that. So that you guys can see the same thing. Doesn't mean we can do the same, we do the same thing. Doesn't mean that, okay? So again, Ethereum goes up yesterday. Ethereum Classic has to follow. Why? Because Ethereum Classic has to follow. That's why it's Ethereum Classic. Where's Ethereum Classic? Let's go here. What's going up? 45, lead that. You see that? See, Ethereum goes up, Ethereum Classic will follow, but this is quite a, so Polygon. Polygon, who knows why Polygon is going up? Actually, when you talk about L2, I think Polygon's the best. I thought that Polkadot was the best. I apologize. Polygon is the best. Who knows why Polygon is going up? Why is Polygon going up? This is really cool. Why is Polygon going up? Who knows? Why in the world would something called Polygon go up? It's kind of weird, right? So Polygon goes up because of this, okay? I think this is really something good. This is a coin that will moon in 2024. I don't know whether it moons in 2023. I don't know whether it moons in 2022. I can only say maybe, but I can tell you, if you want a guarantee, as strong a guarantee as you want, Polygon is it, okay? Gaming, yes, gaming. It is like going into gaming. Disney, yeah, correct. Correct. Look at this, guys. This is really fundamental. You know, this is like totally fun. Doesn't mean it can go down, but at least something happens. It is Polygon is also Reddit. It's also like Disney. So what does that mean? That means thank you, Polygon. In the future, I can actually pay things to people using Polygon. And if they refuse to open a wallet, I can say, hey, you guys are really dead wood. You guys are out of date. I don't want to be friends with you guys because you guys don't have a Polygon wallet to accept some things from me. If I owe you money, I want to pay it through Polygon. Look, Disney, Polygon for Accelerator Program. This is great. Matic source after Disney deal as crypto moves higher. Look at that. So, you know, this is just trading, okay? I don't think this can be, but look at that. AR, NFT, and AI. This is the future. Unlike the past, guys, unlike the past, where there was nothing, no one was developing anything. Nowadays, people are developing things. So you're going to see some of these coins do very good performance, but I can tell you they will moon to the moon or to the second moon or to the dark side of the moon in 2024. That much I can tell. This is going to be crazy. Look at that. Cookie run, not cookie run, but this is good, okay? And also Polygon is also about Reddit, right? Everyone's going to Polygon. My God. Where's Ethereum? Yeah, new apps are opening it now. It's looking good, okay? What else do we see? We also see the old ones, right? See, Polygon-based collectible marketplace. So that's good. So that's good. We have a star coming up, okay? What else? Ethereum Classic is probably because of Ethereum. Maybe after September when the Ethereum, the difficulty bomb comes and they cannot mine Ethereum anymore, maybe they're going to Ethereum Classic to mine. That kind of makes sense. CETH, I don't know what we know this. Lido, well, Lido we know because Lido is the one that holds that all your stake Ethereum to be a node, right? So that's kind of cool. So if Ethereum 2.0 materializes after being delayed so many times, that's okay. ApeCoin because of other deeds. 16th was the thing, but I could not get in from Asia. That's not fair. Avalanche because it's from Cornell. Arweave, this is Solana, Solana storage, BNB, Solana, yeah, Polkadot, Near, this, but I'm really impressed by this. I'm really impressed by this, right? Aave, you see the old ones are coming up. Yeah, Chainlink hasn't gone up, but the old ones are coming up. Chainlink is the only one that hasn't gone up. The old ones have all gone up except Chainlink. You know, look at that. Because in my group, you know, I think we saw this when it was 72, right, or 70, and now it's like 89. Like, okay, so you see that now. I want you to really be careful. I want you to really look around all these things, okay? Because one day they will come back and haunt you. What is performing now because of fundamentals? Obviously, Aave, obviously Polygon. I want you to really look now because one day these will be the stars in the future, okay? In the future. I think Polygon has something to run. Aave, well, it's Aave. I didn't put another one here, Curve, right? The Curve is always an old favorite. So the oldies are the goodies now. You see that? It's the old coins. The new coins, I'm sorry to tell you, I'm going to be kind this time. I think 90% are going to die. 90% are going to die, which is better than the 2018 thing, which is 99% dead. So I'm being kind. I'm being very kind, okay? But a lot are going to die, guys. Simply a lot are really going to die. So let's see what else is happening here. There's nothing on Cointelegraph, unfortunately. So you need, again, think 2024. See who's performing now. I know Polygon is one thing, okay? If you want a DCA Polygon, that's fine with me. Just don't look at your wallet so much. It will go out, okay? Fake out risk after 40% ETH price rally. Wow, I didn't even know that. Pump is fake. We'll soon see why. 21.6K. Yeah, this could be fake. Let's see. Is it a fake? Is it a fake? Is it because too many people were short? Maybe. Maybe the guys just wanted to blow out the shorting people this weekend. Maybe the exchange wanted to do that. Unconvincing so far. Modest pullback, but look at that. It just goes off. Golden cross appears on 4-hour chart. Boosted upside send. Wow, golden cross. Whoa. So where is this going to? But it could be a break. Okay, no resistance until 1.7. Okay, let's look at it again. You guys want to see Ethereum, right? I know you guys want to see Ethereum here. Chainlink, yeah, Chainlink owes us something because this is a good one because you need Chainlink to do anything, you know. You need Chainlink to do this. So I would just do this. I know you guys are asking me what's the target. This is not financial, but this is what I would do, okay? This is literally what I would do. And what I would do is I would just draw a line here, guys. And this is all I would do. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just drawing a line here to this ascending triangle, right? And then I'm just going to put it here, right? I'm just going to put it here for the benefit of you guys. Yeah, 1007, right? That gives, yeah, that's 1007. Okay, cool. Cool. That's 1007. That's the target. If we follow up on this pattern, okay, if we follow up on this pattern, we will know tomorrow, you know, is this a fake or is this a break? Now, if this is not a fake, it should continue and the equities market should go up, or maybe it needs the equities to continue this. Let's see some more here. Okay. Okay, the ascending has not been accompanied by rise in trading value. This a fake out. It could be, look at that. That is not good. That is not good. Lido down most overbought as rallies 150% in 2 weeks. A break below 1284 will risk reactivating the ascending triangle setup with a buy skewed towards bears. Ether would risk crashing to 750 according to the rule of technical analysis. Same thing. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. So let's see tomorrow whether it is or not. Of course, this is the weekend, right? Because there's not many people around. So if there's so many people shorting, then they might just reverse it so that everyone gets burned. Let's see what is happening on Bitcoin. Since we saw that already on Ether, I just want to go on Bitcoin. Was it the hot story? Cloud mining? No, I want to see Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin? No, not that. Now I lie. Yeah, let's see it again. We'll soon see why 21.6K is fake. To Binance in less. Ooh, this is suspicion. Yeah. People are sending it to Binance. Is this the miners? Ooh, not trust the current BTC price action. Yes, maybe because was this push to sell? 21.6 on Bitstamp, okay? Fresh leg up during the weekend, back of thin, retail driven out of hours liquidity. Not to be trusted. Okay, let's see it tomorrow. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see this. Inflows. Wow. There's a lot of inflows. That's not good. That means people are selling, right? If it goes back to Binance, some said Michael Van de Pop got his wish. Critical barrier is 21, 22, 22.6, 22.5. Yes. 21.2. Yeah, some. Okay. That's cool. Okay, so let's see what is it tomorrow. Okay, so again, just look at the old coins, guys. The old coins, you guys should be okay. Okay, now I just want to tell you that, you know, in all of this, okay, please, we are not out of the woods yet. If this happens, it is going to be a relief rally. The housing market in the US is very bad, okay? A lot of people are pulling out of the housing, so that could be another example of a black swan, okay? A potential black swan for crypto is, of course, Mt. Gox. They're going to release like 150K Bitcoin in August. That's not good. Yeah, 20 years. 20 years is a magic thing. That's why I said I expect something to happen in the yen and the euro. So I am going to trade the yen and the euro, not like you Forex traders trade it, okay? You Forex traders trade it in your own Forex way. That's fine. I don't want to do that. I get too much stress. I treat it just like Bitcoin, an asset. I treat it just like Chainlink. I treat it just like a stock. That's how I trade Forex nowadays, okay? I don't even bother with all these pips and all that. Wasting my time. Seriously, guys, wasting my time. Next week, I will tell you why. So housing is a thing. Another thing is Europe. Okay, we got this. In Bitcoin, we have the Mt. Gox. In the US, we got the housing, okay? Housing. You got to know that. Where is it? Where is it? Housing. They don't tell me about housing anymore. Okay, I'm going to have to look here. Housing, USA. It's bad. It's ugly. Okay, guys? It is ugly. Downright ugly. Housing, USA. People are canceling. It's like the biggest cancel in the history of history. You guys are living history. You guys are going to be very rich or very poor. See that? The next housing crisis. UK risks deeper global economic slump. Yeah, UK is even worse shape than US. Cooling real estate in the US. Okay, so this is not good. This is not good. There are a lot of price cuts. People do not want to take the house. It's like Dennis buying a house, asking for more discount. Say, I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take it unless you give me a discount. Now, that is US. I want you to remember US housing, other than inflation, that's different. We know inflation. US housing, US housing, Bitcoin will be in this, right? In Mt. Gox. Europe also has a problem. Europe, or what do they do to Europe? I mean, this is this. This is why, guys, you need this. You see this? You see this? This is Darth Vader's thing, okay? This is Darth Vader. See that? Do you see the sound there? What happened to my thing? What? You need Darth Vader's lightsaber. This is Europe. What is going to happen to Europe? How is it going to pay if it's dead, if it's gone down 20? A lot against the US dollar. I don't know how much it's gone down, but it's gone down a lot. And how is it going to pay? It's debt. And Europe has this problem from one of the biggest economies here. Guys, you guys know that Mario Draghi, the Prime Minister of Italy, the former head of the ECB, European Central Bank, has offered to resign from being the Prime Minister of Italy. Because Italy is like screwed. Screwed. If Italy goes down, you know what happens, right? When Italy had problems last time, together with Greece. Oh, we had problems, right? We had big problems. So again, I want you to remember before I go, you guys have any questions, please ask while I write this down. Remember, whatever it is, I want you to remember this is a relief. Secondly, type down your questions, guys. There's a delay here. For the black swans, let me remind you, I'm worried about the US housing. I'm worried about Mt. Gox for Bitcoin and crypto. And I'm worried about Europe, especially this, which is Italy. It is in debt. It could be in big problems. It is a big economy. Not that we have to care about the UK, right? Because they've done their own Brexit thing. They can do whatever they want. So this is something that I think you guys will have to take into consideration. So again, guys, next week, we're going to have the same show, but we are going to go into the charts. That means when you talk about the euro, we're going to have a naked. Naked means doesn't wear anything. And then we're going to set up the chart on the euro, okay? And then we're also going to set up the chart on the yen. And I'm also going to set up the chart on Bitcoin so that you guys can follow me after that easier, and the S&P, and you guys know what I'm talking about. You guys can see the invalidation points. You guys can see the point of control and all that. Okay, guys, any questions? If not, I shall see you soon, guys. Bye. Thank you very much for attending. See you next week. See you next week, guys. No, wait a minute. See you on Wednesday. This is Metaran channel. Also, see you on Wednesday. Why not make US to US 1K to 2.5K a month playing Illuvium? Why not, guys? It's about playing the games because we're bored. We're bored apes. The bored ape will be here again. We have a bored ape will be here again. Why not? Why not, guys? I'm going to see you guys soon. Bye. So remember those three, okay? Remember the black swans. Anything can happen. Relief rally. That's all it is. Bye, guys. Bye. See you.